Hello everyone, welcome you again in this class. In this class, we are going to learn about juggling ball game with Pygame because we learn about the Pygame library, how to take image, how to take text. Now it's time to execute our Pygame as actually the game. So we are going to create a game. It's named Juggling Ball Game, and I'm going to share my screen with all of you. So this is my screen and I will remove everything onto the screen. You will open REPL.it, then you will go to Pygame as we open all the time. So the same procedure we will follow here as well. Now I will start writing down the game as import Pygame for making juggling ball. What juggling ball is, there will be the ball. First I will create one ball, and when I click on the ball, then the something is going to happen with the ball, or ball starts moving from top to bottom of the screen. This is what we are making, but first I want to create one simple ball that should be onto the screen. So I will import the library, then I will make the variable width, and that width I will give as 800. Then I will give the variable as height, and the height I will give as 600. Then I will give background. It should be yeah. So background, and the background I'm giving as 00 means the black color background I'm giving. So everything I make it as 0. Now what I will do is I will create a class, and this class name I'm giving as ball. Basically this class defining a variable and it's a ball for me. Now I will make the function block define in it. Then I will write self. Self is actually the parameter of this function block. Inside this function block, you will make indentation first. Indentation is very important. Then after giving the indentation, you will write self dot image. Actually, I want to take the image, right? So that's why I will call this function as self dot image. When this function is going to execute, then it will be like self.image by game.image dot load, and here you will write down the name of your picture. Actually I have one ball png that I have downloaded from Google. You can also take tennis ball and you can download it from Google. Sometime you're facing some issues, like what issues you're facing is that you don't need to identify how to remove the backdrop of the picture. So what you can do, suppose you have any picture, you can simply type remove backdrop of picture online. Okay, and press enter. When you do this, you will come down and you will find this link www.remove.bg. When you click on this link, you will upload your picture, and then after some time it will give you the backdrop removal and you can download it. I'll show you how. Like, see, this was my tennis ball. Okay, this was the ball and the backdrop looks like this, or maybe some other backdrop it's coming. So you just remove the backdrop and then you'll just download it. When you download this ball, then it will be coming like this. It has no backdrop now. Okay, so here I will write down the name of my PNG file, that's ball.png, and I want to create a surface where my PNG file has to be shown, like I have to show my picture. So for that I need to create a surface. I will write self.rect equal to self.image dot get rect. This is done. And after this I will define another function. So I will write define main Now make some space, and after some space you will write pygame dot init. As you all know, pygame init is to start the pygame, to initiate the pygame library. Then we'll come to screen equal to pygame dot display dot set mode. Here I will put my parameter width, height. Okay. See, the way I wrote my parameter name, I should write it exactly like this. The way I wrote, I should write it exactly like that. Then only something is going to happen and something is going to work. Okay. Otherwise, it will not work at all. So this is my width and height. No, this will not come because there is no other bracket here. Okay, let's come down. Then after the screen, I will simply introduce the clock equal to, actually, this is also like I want some clock should be there because it's a game. I'm creating a game, so something like that I want to be here. Time dot C will be capital for this clock. You can take the suggestion one and kind of. Now the next part. So the next part will be like I'll come here and then after the clock, I will make the variable as ball equals to ball. Let me explain you so well. Don't worry. I will explain everything to you. So let's start from this. As you know that this will start your window. This will set the mode of your display. Here I set the time because every game you need timing. So if I'm creating a game, I need time. So that's why I introduced this. And I made one ball variable and I'm calling my class, this class ball here because this is also needed, right? Because I create this for ball variable so that I can do something with this. Now the next part is I will take the while loop. So I will write while true. Then the next part I will write is a screen dot fill, and this should be background, means whatever the background I give, you will come up with that background. You can select any background of your choice. Okay. So I give the background here. Now let's come to the next part. I will write screen dot blit command, you know very well. Like if I want something onto the screen, some paste we can say. Okay, if I paste something on another screen, so I'm simply giving that blit ball dot image comma ball dot rect. This, you know, like whatever the image will be, it will come the image onto the rectangle surface that I have created. Now I will write pygame dot display dot flip. This command is used to update your display. Okay, like update command you can use, or flip command, both works as updating your screen. Clock dot tick 60. So with this command clock.tick.60, like in this there is a 60, it means I'm selecting frame per seconds, like 60 frame per seconds I'm selecting for the game. Okay, because you know, it indicates like in the game 1 frame remains how much time, kind of. And tick command is basically, it's in the milliseconds, and it's actually, it's you know, you can simply understand that this is something related to the time I'm setting up the frame of my game, that my one frame can remain up to like 60 frame per seconds. It will come, okay, it will take. So now after this, the next thing is I will call my condition over here. Finally, I will write if name is equals to main colon, you will call main. Okay, so why this is so? Now I hope one question you all have in your mind, that why you use this double quotation here, this sorry, why you use this underscore two time, like underscore underscore, then you write name, then underscore underscore, then you write main. Actually, because these variables are inbuilt Python variables, means these are the special variables that's already present in Python. So that's why we always indicate these special variable names with these underscore. Like this is a inbuilt rule that whenever you will create, you will name any special variables that's inbuilt in Python, you will call them by underscore. So that's why you're calling them underscore underscore name underscore underscore is equals to main. So basically main is the main program that's actually running. So it is saying that while the program is running, when you click on the play button, then the main program, whatever you have given in this function, everything will run over here. So if I click on run button, let's see what will happen over there. It's showing me in line number 6. In line number 6, it's showing me some error. I think, I don't know what's the error. Let me check what's the error first. I got the error. After def, you need to create one space, okay? And after main, it's giving me error because I did not put this colon sign over here. I think everything is fine now. Now let's make it run. Size must be 2 numbers. So it's giving me main.py line number 11, width and height error. So here only I put the picture of the ball onto the screen. Now how to make it move? Because it's juggling ball, it means the balls are moving down, coming down from top. Okay, so how it works, how we can make it move? The ball should come down from the top. So the first thing that we are going to add here is down to line number 7 is self dot speed. We need to set the speed of my ball, and the ball speed will be 0, 1 and setting up here. Okay. Now the next part that we want is I will create the function to update the command. Okay, update the self, because we made the self but we did not update it yet. So the command that I'm giving is to self update def update self colon self colon, and then come to the next part. Here after update you will write self dot move. Means what will happen when once it is updated, it will move. Means whatever the ball image I have made, I have set in up the screen, like the speed also for the ball and the image, and now I want this should be move, and then I will take def move self here. It You will write self dot rect equals to self dot rect dot move self dot speed. Okay, so it will move according to the speed, like by following the speed. And after doing all these things, you need to update your screen. So you will come here after the bleed command inside the while loop, while true. Then I will simply write down the command over here is ball dot update, means I need to write update command, because if you're not updating, then nothing will come. No result will show on screen. Now, if I run the code, okay, I got the error is self.speed is equals to 0, 1. It should be like this only. Yeah, and let me open the output. So it's gone. Let me run it again. Here you can see the ball is falling down from top to bottom. It's easy animation. You can check it again and see. Even by using this command, you can make more balls, and this will be the great assignment for you. Just create more balls falling down onto the screen. I told you the function mouse down, right? The event mouse down. You can also apply that. So please, everyone, do apply different and great concepts and have a great learning. Bye-bye.